Hi, this is Travis from POSGuys.com. Today we're going to take a look at the ScanMatic from Custom USA, formerly POSX. We're going to do this video a little differently than we normally do our review videos. Instead of kind of working with it behind the scene and doing our testing, I'm going to give you my initial thoughts. So I'm going to unbox it right here. I haven't actually seen the scanner before or played with it. My coworkers have. But I'm just going to kind of go through it and tell you what I think. In general, the Custom USA brand makes a good product but unspectacular. They don't really push the edges. They don't have newer features that other manufacturers don't already have, but their products generally are well built, good quality, and great value for them. And so looking at the price point for this scanner, it is fantastic value. A 2D scanner for under $200 is great. So let's take a look. Hopefully it's as good as we hope. Okay, so two boxes in it. We got the scanner in the first box. That's an interesting color, green on a scanner. It's been there before. Another manufacturer used green when it came to their eco-friendly version, their battery-free version, but green. The trigger is a double trigger, similar to the old symbol trigger, and it feels pretty nice. The button has good feedback on it. It's not hard to press, feels ergonomic-ish. Has kind of little rubber things on the front to protect the scanner. Like when you set it down, the lens and the plastic is protected. It's light. It doesn't have a lot of heft to it. The bottom piece being light gray is different. I would have expected it to be all black. In box 2, yeah, we have the stand. Okay. So, 3-piece stand. You got the base. Got the stand piece. This probably just goes in like this. Yep. So it's a tool-free installation. That's pretty nice. And the scanner would drop in like that. Okay, well, let's plug it in and see how it scans. Okay. All right, so it's a white bar. Let me try to show it on here. So it's a white light with an illumination bar. That's pretty cool. It's a little different than the previous products that use just kind of standard red. So let's give it a shot. Code 3 of 9, standard 1D barcode. Okay. It's about 3 inches back. It's about a foot. All right, that's okay. UPC code. Same close. All right, so not fantastic range on 1D scanners. You can go pretty close, which is good, and then you can go back a foot. Not bad for retail. A lot of other scanners can go back 2 feet, 3 feet now, especially on something slightly enlarged. But this seems to be just kind of limited to that couple inches to about a foot range. Let's go to 2D barcodes now. So this is a standard QR code. Okay. Reads it. All right, that's the max range on that one. Do Aztec. Nope. It doesn't read Aztec out of the box. That might be something that can be enabled, but out of the box it doesn't do that. Here I have a slightly damaged employee code. It reads it, but yeah, not super great. Okay, that's interesting. It reads it a little better being off angle. But as far as like a damaged barcode, not its strong suit. And then here I have an extra small barcode. All right, it reads the real small barcode well, so that's good. And yeah, back to a code 128, which most scanners can read no problem, and it does read just fine. Let's test it out in the stand. All right, automatic auto sense. That's great. You don't have to scan in a barcode, and let's just see how well it can pass through. All right, great. That works as intended. So, initial thoughts. Stand works, auto sense stand works good. Adjusting this isn't super intuitive. I guess you just pull it out like that. Yeah, I guess that's how it works. Okay, so you just kind of pull it out and you can set it at different angles. They have like a little line system on it, so you just pick the line you want to line it up with, push it in, and then it kind of locks in. Let's go for the, yeah. And that's a pretty good down angle. So, yeah. 2D scanner with the stand, sub $200 from Custom America. Not a bad value, so I like it. I like it. For that price point, you get good performance. It doesn't have some of the high-end scanning features like other brands where you can scan damaged barcodes really well, or you can go super far back. I didn't see that in my initial testing, but your normal product barcodes, it scans just fine. So it's probably going to work out just fine for your everyday scanning. If you're doing a lot of manufacturing or you're in a dirty environment, you might want to go with something a little more advanced. So that's kind of our quick first impressions of the POSGuys ScanMatic. For more information or to purchase, please visit us at POSGuys.com. Thanks.